With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone. So the question is, assertion secondary succession always involves a predictable sequence of species and ends up with the same climax community as existed prior to the disturbance. Reason: a pond cannot be considered as a self-sustained ecosystem as it does not possess all the structural and functional components which work as a unit in an ecosystem. So we have to whether find this assertion and reason are correct or incorrect. So secondary succession does not always involve a predictable sequence. Predictable sequence of species and does not always end up with the same climax community. So here given that the secondary section always involved a predictable sequence of species and ends up with same climax community as existed prior to the disturbance, but the secondary succession does not involve a predictable sequence and does not give the same climax community as existed prior to the disturbance. So, chance factors may play a role when species not normally a part of succession happen to colonize and so alter the normal sequence. So, alter the normal sequence. Here, succession will not follow a predictable sequence if the climax community it will not follow the predictable sequence if the climax community was a relict of past climatic and soil conditions. So, instead, a new form of community that is more appropriate to the new conditions appears after destruction of the relic community. Similarly, where human activities have been modified, the climate or soil or have eliminated potential colonists by destroying adjacent communities, the same climax community may not reappear. So now we are going to see the reason. A pond is a self-sustained ecosystem. Present in a shallow water body. It has all structural compounds, biotic or abiotic, which works as a unit and show all functional aspects of the ecosystem. So here given that pond cannot be considered as a self-sustained ecosystem and does not possess all structural and functional components. No, pond can be considered as a self-sustained ecosystem and it contains all structural and functional components, biotic and abiotic. So the reason is wrong and the assertion is also wrong. Secondary succession does not always involve a predictable sequence of species and does not always end up in a same climax community existed prior to the disturbance. So the correct answer is both assertion and reason are incorrect. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.